If you swipe right to go left, the first tool you have is the canvas tool. This has 3 sections: ratio, zoom, and background. The aspect ratio is set based on the information from the first clip that you add. To change it, all you need to do is tap on one of these presets at the bottom. You'll notice that some of these presets have specific symbols on them. These first 2 are Instagram. This one is 9:16. That's vertical for YouTube and YouTube Shorts. This one is widescreen, and this is the specific setting for TikTok. You know this because it has the TikTok symbol. If you swipe left to continue going right, you have a bunch more presets that you can choose. To choose a preset, just tap on it. If you tap on zoom, you can use these presets at the bottom here. You can see that the clip is still in 16:9 format. So you can tap on this preset, which will place the video in the top position. This preset places the video in the middle of the screen, but fits the video clip inside the playback window. And here you have fill, which fills the entire screen with the clip. As you select one of these presets, you'll notice that the slider will move. If you want to manually fill in the playback window, you can use the slider. Move the slider right to make the clip bigger within the playback window. Bring the slider back to the middle so that it fits, and bring it all the way to the left to make it as small as possible. If you tap on background, this allows you to adjust the background for a given video clip. You can set a blur, you can use one of your own photos, you can use one of these colors, or any one of these preset backgrounds provided by InShot. To exit this panel, just tap on the single check mark on the right. Tap on canvas. If you want to add a blurred background, just tap any one of these blurred circles. This is no blur, but it adds a copy of the video as the background. This blurs the top and bottom, while the center stays visible. You've got 3 different levels. This is the first, this is the second, and this is the third. If you want to use one of your own photos, tap on the picture. If you want to remove the background, tap this button here. To change the color of the background, you can apply a specific color by selecting any one of these colors here. Just tap on a color to select it. Right now the default color is black. If you want to set a specific color based on the video, just tap on the eyedropper, go ahead and select a color from the video, and the background should be adjusted to that color. To remove the background, always tap here. You will see 2 sets of check marks, the one on the left and the one on the right. If you make a change to the background, such as adding a blurred background, for example this one here, and then you tap on the double check marks, and then apply to all, that change will be applied to all of your clips. Tap on the check mark on the right to dismiss the panel and go back to the main timeline. Now if you scrub the footage using your finger, you will note that all of the clips have been adjusted to the same aspect ratio and the same background style. If you don't want to use a background on your clip, go ahead and tap on canvas, then tap the same ratio as before, tap the check mark to get back to the main timeline. If you want to fit a clip inside the playback window, you can select the clip like this, take 2 fingers and pull them apart to make the clip larger. Tap the play button to take a look at the clip. Pause the video, you can select your clip once more and then move it within the frame so that the subject is in the center.